Designing for luxury means more than just crafting something beautiful. It's a foundation rooted in performance that amplifies something precious. It's the creation of something that lays the groundwork for ideas to flourish. It's the careful precision that supports and perfects. It's the attention to hospitality that allows you to be more present. The new Monogram Wall Oven gives you options that streamline your entertaining. Recipe scanning to preserve your priceless traditions. On-screen partner integrations to elevate your culinary journey. Precision cooking modes that automatically adjust temperature and bring confidence to cooking that perfect roast. And an in-oven camera with AI food recognition so that you can monitor what you're cooking and stay focused on your guests. It's the art of culinary vision that brings something intentionally created for you to live with intention. Another way that Monogram elevates every detail, inside and out.